We call upon our next panelist, CA Gyati Gupta ji. Gyati ji, your time starts now.
Thank you, Rashish sir. First of all, my warm greetings to everyone, Chairman and Vice Chairman of AI Committee, the staff of AI Committee, and our respected and learned jury, my co-panelists, and dear viewers. My use case for today's hackathon is the development of AI contract analyzer. And the rationale behind developing such an AI contract analyzer is that contracts are the foundation of any businesses. Because being a business, if I enter into a transaction with any supplier, with any vendor, with any client, or maybe any employee, so every transaction is begged or supported by a contract I might have entered into with that particular entity. So that is why it is important to evaluate the contract, because contracts can be 100 pages long, 200 pages long. So I need to evaluate any key clauses which I'm not aware of, any clauses which are missing and but they are mandatory, or any hidden or ambiguous terms, or it may happen that the contract is drafted in such a language which is sounding one sided, or it is favoring any one party, or it may be risky. So to identify any hidden risk, to identify any compliance gap, and to identify any unfair clauses, it is mandatory that I analyze the contracts thoroughly within no time. So to develop this tool, the AI tool which I'd be using is Opal by Google. So let me share my screen and quickly walk you through it. So I'm going to type Opal. I hope my screen is visible. So I'll be going on to this first link, Google Opal. And Opal is developed by Google. And the reason why I'm selecting this tool is to build this app, because if I choose Lovable or N8N, so these apps generally offer credits. So, and those credits get utilized, they get exhausted with every usage, with every app you are going to build. But there is no such limitation with this tool, Opal. It was in beta mode few days ago, but now it is completely live in India, so you can safely use it. Moreover, it's a low code, or I can say no code tool that works on natural language, and it is going to convert the prompt which you have given in natural language into visual workflows. And those visual workflows means those steps can be tweaked, it can be modified at every step. So we can begin by going to Opal, and we'll log in through our Gmail account, and then we'll go to create new. As you can see on my dashboard, I have already developed contract analyzer previously. So I can go on create new, and I'm going to give it as a simple prompt. The prompt is build a professional legal document analyzer that identifies and explain negative clauses in agreements. I'm going to paste this prompt over here. And processing is going on. And you can see what it has provided me. It has provided me the complete step of how that prompt is going to run. First is legal document text. It is asking me to paste my legal document text over here, the text of the contract. And then the second step it would be performing is it would be analyzing negative clauses in the contract. And the third step would be the final output step, where it would be generating the HTML analysis, right? But sir, now I want this app to be capable enough to read the document from the PDF itself. So I will have to add one more input here, one more input step over here. So what I'll do, I'll go to user input. I will place this tab over here, and I'll select the option of uploading a file, load a file. your PDF or docs. So this is the prompt which I have given to it, and and to enable it, I'll go to advanced setting. Input type, I'll select upload file. Right. So now the app which I have built is also capable of uploading a file, but I will have to perform one more step. I'll have to connect it to the next coming step. So what I'll do, I'll go to this. Again, I'll connect it to this step. Right. So similarly, the way I have added one step of uploading a file, I can add few more steps. Like I can also ask it to accept the web page link. Web link and prompt which I want it to show where and input type you can do any. Again, I'll put it here, and again I'm going to connect it to the next step. So now for the input, I have allowed three things. I can simply paste the text of my contract, I can upload a file, or I can paste the web page link. Then it will analyze the negative clauses, and then it is going to provide me the output. So let us quickly start with the demo. So it is asking me to paste your legal document text here, but I do not have any text copied. So I'll move to the next step, and to go to the next step, I'll click on this button. It is asking me to upload my PDF or any document. So I'll go and sample contract, and I'll upload it. It is then I'll again click on submit. So now it is analyzing the negative clauses in my contract. And now it is generating HTML analysis. And since here in the output side, I have by default, it has picked the option of generating HTML analysis, whereas I can also change this. I can change the output to PDF also. So you see that it has provided me the negative clause analysis, and it has provided me the results, services, the service specific deliverables and timelines will be determined by the company. Okay, thank you, ma'am, for informing. For company and sole discretion, and then changes, implications, fees. So all the clauses that might be one-sided or may have some serious repercussions or may have some hidden clauses, it has highlighted it. And I can also download this file, and you can see the downloaded output is generated in the form of HTML. One more thing I would like to show to everyone is that Opal, I am giving prompt. I have given just one line prompt to this app Opal, but it is providing prompt to itself at every stage. Like if you go to this analyze negative clause, you'll see that this Opal is asking itself that you are an expert legal analyst meticulously examining legal documents to identify and explain potentially negative clauses. Your output should be detailed textual analysis. So at every step, it is providing prompt and detailed prompt to itself. And then again, if I come to this output side, it has again provided a prompt to itself. You are an AI web developer. Your task is to generate a single self-contained HTML document. And one more thing to take care of that, as I've previously mentioned, that output can be in the form of any HTML page, or it can be in the form of any Google document or any slide or sheet. Moreover, you can also publish this app. You have the option over here, share app, and you can share it and keep it restricted, like the YouTube videos. So there is an option of restricted and anyone with the link. So you can publish it and keep it restricted. So this option is very helpful if you generate any app and you want to share it with your clients, and you can charge good
Some
amount
time
of
is
fees.
over.
Okay, so that was all from my side. If there are any questions, they are most welcome.
So data will be stored in Google Drive. Where will be the file stored? The file that you have uploaded.
Sir, it will be if I am downloading it, it will be saved on my local computer. And if I want the
No,
input in the
the
form of
file that
any,
you are uploading for analyzing.
yes, sir, it will be saved on Google Drive.
Okay. Rahul sir?
No, sir, no question from my side.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Gyati ji. Now we call upon our next panelist, CA Manish Kumar ji.